Hey there, sunscreen enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on skincare essentials. Today, we're diving into one of the most raved about sunscreens on the market, the Biore Aqua SPF 50 PA++++. Known for its lightweight feel and impressive sun protection, this product has garnered quite a reputation. Starting off, what makes the Biore Aqua stand out? Well, it's all about that SPF 50 PA++++ rating. For those unfamiliar, that means it offers top-tier protection against both UVA and UVB rays, crucial for preventing sunburn and skin aging. Now, let's talk ingredients. This sunscreen is oil-free and formulated with hyaluronic acid, which not only provides hydration but also ensures a smooth application. Plus, it's vegan and free from oxybenzone and octinoxate, making it suitable for sensitive skin types. What are the benefits? Apart from its stellar sun protection, the Biore Aqua is designed to be fast-absorbing. No white cast, folks. Perfect for all skin tones and great under makeup, so it won't mess with your daily routine. Here's what some users had to say about their experience with the Biore Aqua. And let's not forget the experts. Dermatologists recommend this sunscreen for its non-comedogenic formula, meaning it won't clog your pores. Perfect for those prone to breakouts or who have sensitive skin. Time for some application tips. Start with a small amount and gently pat it onto your skin. Remember to apply it generously 15 minutes before sun exposure and reapply every 2 hours for optimal protection. Oh, and let's talk about the packaging. The Biore Aqua comes in a handy, travel-friendly tube that's easy to toss in your bag or carry on. Perfect for beach days or everyday use. How does it stack up against similar products? Well, its water-based formula sets it apart from many others, offering a refreshing feel without the typical sunscreen scent. Wrapping up, the Biore Aqua SPF 50 PA++++ truly lives up to its reputation as a top-notch sunscreen. With its lightweight texture, powerful sun protection, and skin-friendly ingredients, it's no wonder it's a favorite among skincare enthusiasts worldwide. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful reviews on the products you love. Until next time, stay protected and stay radiant.